When it's time to replace your wiper blades, an authorized dealer can provide you with the right set for your vehicle, and you can install them yourself in just a few minutes. To remove a windshield wiper blade, first raise it off the glass by lifting the wiper arm to the full up position. Next, flip up the locking tab to disengage it and tilt the lower end of the blade away from the arm. Now, use one hand to steady the arm and the other to push the blade away from the J-hook and toward the windshield. With the locking tab open, position the replacement wiper blade under the J-hook and insert the bracket into the hook through the opening under the tab. Slide the wiper up into the hook and then snap the tab into the locked position. Now, just lower the wiper blade onto the glass and repeat the process for the other side. To replace the rear wiper blade, lift the pivot cap on the rear arm and then raise the arm off the glass. Tilt the lower end of the blade away from the arm to unsnap it from the pivot pin in the blade holder. Install the replacement wiper blade's pivot pin into the blade holder and press the blade until it snaps into place. Finally, lower the wiper blade onto the glass and snap the pivot cap closed. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.